My son Billy died of cancer, and he was only 41 years of age, and that is one of the reasons why I chose Cancer Research Wales. I chose it as a tribute to my son, but also to try to raise as much money for cancer, because it is a dreaded disease, there's no two ways about it. Sadly, in 2014, I was diagnosed with breast cancer myself, and that was even more reason why Cancer Research Wales was prominent in my decision to choose them as my charity. I would like to thank a lot of people who've donated to my charity. At this moment of time, I have raised £84,000, and I think it's tremendous the support I've received in raising this money. My thanks to all these people who've given, and firms that have given money towards my charity. And quite clearly, it would be nice if I can get a nice round figure to be able to give to Cancer Research Wales, which will hopefully, in the near future, be able to find more cures, which we badly need.